Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. Here we have a 2014 Chev Express 1500 all-wheel drive model. This one comes with a 5.3 liter V8. It's got good rubber all the way around. The interiors come nicely outfitted right from the factory with paneling all the way around. Nice shelving, heater on the floor, file storage. More shots of the interior there. This just opens up. More shelving there. Here's a shot of the tire. It's fully equipped with all power options. Cruise control. There's your heater switch. Console storage. This van's got 262,000 K on it. And the price on this guy is $12,900.